Ka Sorkar Jala Hakisnikong Kalapuna Lashai Kasi Baar can test Pdiang Nongpang Bakhadu Bayo Yang Jipang coronavirus. Kat kumjin thu do mutirang ba kajala Konrad ki sangma yak report labanyo hakate hijanmiet ni hakasi bubun.
Yeah, the last patient is like this, that the protocols of the health department require that a person has to be tested twice consecutively to be 100% sure that the person is negative. How the viral content normally works for every patient is that you will see the viral content going down and fluctuating towards the end of the 13, 14, 15 day period. Therefore, the chances after the 14th day when you test, sometimes the viral content in the swab fluctuates. And that is the reason why Government of India protocol and ICMR protocol requires that testing has to be done twice. In the first test of the last patient or of the 11th patient that was there, the first test came out negative after the 14-day period. But after 24 hours testing again, there was a positive result in it. So therefore, based on this norm, we have decided, of course, to test after 3 days. So the norms will, I think that would be tomorrow or day after. So the person will be tested again. Then after the results come out, then only the next protocol will follow.